screw too. Ooh. Thank you. The last wish. Starlight. Starbright. First star I see tonight. I wish I may. I wish I might have this. What are you doing? Seriously, are you having a hernia or something? You're such tools of vulnerability. It's so cute how you think that would work on me. Don't you know I'm dead inside? By the way, your nose is bleeding.
Oh, I would just die at the same time.
What?
Hold on, let me get my baby juice. Your boyfriend too? Damn, you're hella short. Long girl.
Otherwise, I'm sorry you didn't get your wish. Golden one. But I did my wish. You took my wish. Everything is just right. Oh no, you made me cry. Now, what's they real time and I know? Well, what can I say? I won the orphan lottery. Surfboard, boots, gold, girls. Hey baby, you got any ideas for our next job?
Oh, remember that pie factory? I suspect that they might be experiencing a leadership. Now's a good time to talk about capital purchase. Did you remember to pack my Captain Puck?
Yes, Robert. And your captain's shoes, your captain's coat, and your captain's pajamas.
What about where are you going? Team friendship? We did not agree to this.
Yeah, it makes us look ridiculous. Check it out, it's official. Daddy has to go.
find new adventures and to see some old friends.
Don't go away. We'll be right back with awesome adventures. Right here on Peacock Kids.
Perhaps you know me as Bedtime Food Man. Oh, you're adorable.
And now, awesome adventures. Right here on Peacock Kids.
Once upon a time, a long time ago, a king and a queen had a beautiful daughter named Fiona. But she was possessed by a terrible curse by day, and a lovely princess by night, a hideous ogre. Only true love's kiss could lift her curse. So Fiona waited in a tower, guarded by a dragon, until the day when her true love would arrive. But as the days turned into years, the king and queen were forced to resort to more desperate measures.
Fumihiro. This may be our last hope. Besides, he does come highly recommended by Fumihiro.
But to put our daughter's life in the hands of this person, these demons,
How do you do?
As you can see, everything's in order.
so we all put an end to our daughter's curse.
And in return, you